Hello dear students, my name is Lokosukla. Today we will learn about sequence and arithmetic progression. First of all, what do you mean by sequence? Sequence is listing of elements in a specific order. Usually we take natural numbers or real numbers. These are the examples you see, numbers listed in specific order, separated by commas, and this dot means continuation. So many examples: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so on. 4, 8, 12, 16. See, second example, each number, if you take any two consecutive number, there is a difference of 4. Similarly, in third one, we have taken power of 2. In fourth example, we are dividing number 1 by consecutive natural numbers. In fifth example, we are having perfect squares. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4, and 6. Odd terms are number 1 and even terms are -1. So this example will help you to understand definition of sequence better. So once again I repeat, sequence is just a list of elements usually written in row in specific order. Let's move ahead. What is mathematical definition of sequence? A sequence is a function whose domain is the set of integers greater than or equal to a particular integer. Integer we know, natural number, positive numbers, then together with 0 and their negative numbers. Now, usually this set is the set of natural numbers, as I said, or the set of whole numbers. Now, how we denote a sequence? This is the notation, say an or xn, a suffix n. N denotes the nth term of the sequence. We use the notation a suffix n to denote image of the integer n and call it the term of the sequence. So an means nth term of the sequence. For example, a1, a2, a3, a4, dot dot dot. As I said, dot dot means continuation. An. A1 means first term, A2 means second term, A3 means third term, and so on. Now represent the terms of a sequence defined on the set of natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 up to n, they are coming from natural numbers. In A1 is the particular term. Now note that a sequence is described by listing the terms of the sequence in order of increasing subscripts. Usually see the subscripts, they are in increasing order. So this is the trend, this is the system, this is the custom which we follow while writing sequence. Let's move ahead. Now in sequence, one very important sequence which we will learn is arithmetic sequence. Now what do you mean by arithmetic sequence? A sequence in which if you take any two consecutive terms and their difference should be constant. I repeat, a sequence in which every term after the first term is obtained from the preceding term by adding a constant number is called an arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. In other words, see what this definition is saying. You take any two consecutive terms, then you subtract from the following term, you subtract the preceding term. The result should be same for any two consecutive terms. A sequence with this property is called arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression. Or in other words, if you take any term and if by adding some fixed number you are getting the next term, it is called as arithmetic progression. This is what this definition says. Now let's move ahead. The constant number, the difference, the common difference, with the difference of any two consecutive terms is called the common difference. And it is usually denoted by D. Let's see the example which will help you to understand the concept of arithmetic progression much better. So, first example is 5, 9, 13, 17 and dot dot dot. Dot dot means continuation. Now see, in this example if you take any two terms difference? What is the difference? Yes, 4. 4 is the difference. 9 minus 5, 4. 13 minus 9, 4. 17 minus 13, 4. So here common difference is 4. Now let's have another example on the screen. 0, minus 5, minus 10, minus 15 and dot dot. See, if you take any two consecutive term, and what is the difference of any two consecutive term? Yes, minus 5. See, minus 5, minus 0, minus 5. Minus 10, minus 5. So, minus will become plus. So, minus 10 plus 5 will give you again minus 5. And so on. So, here common difference is minus 5. And so on. See here in third example, the common difference is 2. Why? You take any two consecutive term and from the succeeding term you subtract the preceding term, you will see the common difference is same. Let's move ahead. Now general term of an arithmetic sequence. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference of an arithmetic sequence. These are the notation which you have to stick with. A is always taken for first term and D is taken for common difference. Then we can write the remaining terms of the arithmetic progression if we have first term and common difference. So this is my first term A. Then now go on adding D. Next second term will be A plus D. Again you add D. Next term will be A plus 2D. Again you add in this D. The next term will be A plus 3D and so on. Now if A suffix j for j greater than or equal to 1 represent the terms of the sequence, then A1 will denote the first term and this can be written as like this. Similarly A2 can be written as A plus D and this can be written in this way, A plus bracket 2 minus 1 bracket equals to D. Similarly A3, that is A plus 2D. Now this can be rewritten as A plus bracket 3 minus 1 bracket close times D. This way we can define the nth term of the arithmetic progression. What will be now the formula for nth term of the arithmetic progression? See, this is the formula to determine nth term of the arithmetic progression. That is A plus bracket n minus 1 times D for all integers n greater than or equal to 1. So remember, this is the general term formula for the arithmetic progression. Now let's see the example. Find the 20th term of the arithmetic sequence. Now the arithmetic sequence is given. We are asked to find the 20th term. Means the value of n is 20. Now what is my first term? Clearly 3 is the first term. What is my D? D, you take any two consecutive term and see the difference. See, if you take first two term, what is the difference? 9 minus 3, 6. Then you take another two terms. What is the difference? Again 6. So my common difference is 6 and first term is 3. Now we are asked to find the 20th term. That is, we are asked to find A suffix 20. Just now we learned the formula for an. It was A plus bracket n minus 1 times D. So we will use this formula to determine 20th term of this sequence. So now in this formula you substitute the value of A as 3, D as 6 and n as 20. And the resulting number will give you the 20th term of the sequence. That is 170 we are getting here. So this example I hope you all have understood. Let's move ahead. Okay. This example we just now discussed. Now in another example, see the data is given. A, that is first term is given as 4. Common difference is also given minus 3. And here nth term is also given minus 77. In earlier example, First term was given, common difference was given, and we are asked to find nth term. Here nth term is given. What we are asked to find? Number of terms. Again we will use the same formula.